Echinoderms include all the following except which animal? A. Sea stars, B. Sea cucumbers, C. Sand dollars, D. Sea urchins, or E. All of the above.
E. All of the above.
That's right. All are examples of echinoderms. Echinoderms are invertebrate animals characterized by hard, spiny covering skin, a permeous radial symmetry, and internal skeleton. True or false? Phylum Echinodermata has approximately 7,000 described living species.
True.
Yes, that is true. And there's also 13,000 extinct species as well. Fragmentation and regeneration describe what processes of echinoderma life history? A. Reproduction, B. Mating, C. Migration, or D. Predation defense.
Predation defense. D.
That's false. Fragmentation and regeneration describe reproduction. Several species of sea cucumbers, including starfish and brittle stars, can reproduce asexually. One of the most important ecosystem services that Echinodermata provide are biological regulation. Echinoderms are efficient scavengers of decaying matter on the seafloor, and they prey upon a variety of small organisms, thereby helping to regulate their numbers. A species whose presence and role within an ecosystem that has a disproportionate effect on other organisms within the system is called what?
A keystone species.
Yeah, a keystone species. Raw or cooked mature sex organs, or gonads, of sea urchins are regarded as a delicacy in some parts of the world. True or false?
True.
That's right. Some of the larger species of tropical sea cucumbers, known commercially as trepang, are dried and used in soups. Echinoderms are gaining popularity with artists and account for how much of the global trade? A. 23%, B. 31%, C. 11%, or D. 17%?
17%.
True. In addition to overfishing, the emerging global trade in the collection of echinoderms for home aquaria, souvenirs, and biomedical products is a critical stage, and certain species of echinoderms are now listed as threatened. Alright, some tropical echinodermatas produce a compound known as holothurine. What is special about this compound? A. Is it a pheromone? B. Is it a toxin? C. Is it a neurotransmitter? Or D. Is it an antibody?
Toxin.
That's right. There are special toxins that are lethal to many kinds of animals. Pacific Islanders even kill fish by poisoning waters with this toxin. Many species of echinoderms are used as bioindicators because of which of the following characteristics? A. Their ubiquitous distribution. B. Their benthic and relatively sedentary lifestyle. C. Their susceptibility to the presence of micropollutants stored in marine sediments. Or D. All of the above.
D. All the above.
That's right. Sea urchin gametes, embryos, and larvae can be used for fast and low-cost, reliable screening and testing of toxic substances. The eggs and spermatozoa of echinoderms, particularly those of sea urchins and starfishes, are easily obtained. What are they used for? A. To conduct research. B. For anti-aging properties in makeup. C. Fish food in aquaculture. Or D. Compounds and fertilizers.
It's either makeup or fish feed. What do you think? Makeup.
That's not right. It was B. To conduct research. Echinoderm embryos and larvae have been used as experimental model systems in several lines of research, leading to significant advances in the areas of developmental biology, cell biology, and immunology. Which of the following has not been done to help maintain the ecosystem services provided by Echinodermata? A. Development of laboratory culture methods to produce individuals for reseeding exploited populations of wild echinoderms. B. The development of global databases of echinoderm species to summarize information on their threats and to monitor their conservation. C. The International Union for Conservation of Nature has listed endangered species of Echinodermata. Or D. Restrictions on echinoderm fisheries, such as marine protected areas, daily catch limits, and minimum legal size. Which one?
No. B. would be B.
B. Yeah, that's right. The development of global databases of echinoderm species to summarize information on their threats. These complete databases do not exist yet, but there is need for the development in this area.
Listen once to me.